Good morning, students. Renuka Nannoji here. Ninth standard history lesson. French Revolution is over, and we started with Russian Revolution. In that, we have completed liberals, radicals, and conservatives. How they try to bring change in the society. Now, today, let me start with another concept, that is industrial society and social change. Okay, students. Now, here industrial society. It means because of industries, what kind of changes were brought in the society. So the first point, new cities rose with industrial revolution. It means industrial revolution means what? Growth of industries. When there was a growth of industry, that led to the growth of cities. It means this is the change which took place in the society. Growth of cities, lot of cities, because village people will migrate to city area because they are getting job. When they get the job in the city, definitely they will stay there. So like this, population increased and housing, what is that, construction of houses, everything. So city areas started growing. This is the first change. Second, men, women and children worked in factories. Men and women working in factories is good point, because it shows equality of men and women. They get job opportunities. That is all right. But children working in factories is not okay, because factory job is hazardous. It is dangerous to the children. But in those days they were working. Okay. Long working hours with low wages. Students, long working hours. Laborers were made to work like more than 10 hours or 12 hours or day and night based on the need. Okay, but they were given very less salary. Payment was less. Meager salary was given to the laborers. So condition of the laborer was worst. Then low demand led to unemployment. It means now factory is producing certain products, but when there is no demand for that product, definitely there will be no supply. When there is no supply, there is no profit. When there is no profit, you cannot pay the payment, sorry, you cannot give the salary of the workers. Then you will remove some of the workers, or there may be machines which will be used in the factories. When there are machine made products, there is no requirement of laborers. So like that, many problems or issues started which led to unemployment problem. So this change took place in the society. Okay, next, rapidly growing towns faced housing and sanitation problem. Students, growth of cities, all right, it's good that we are moving towards modernization. But problem was when there was a lot of growth of towns. When many people migrated from village and settled in the towns, population increased, area was less. Then which problem? Housing problem, sanitation problem, all these problems started. And then slum areas increased, people started living in the slum. Okay, water problem, all these problems started. So this is also change in the society. Next, liberals and radicals rallied around these issues and wanted revolution. So I have told you that liberals and radicals wanted to bring change in the society. They wanted to improve the social setup. So they started opposing all these problems. They wanted some solution to all these problems. So this is industrial society and social change. Okay, now we will move to the next, coming of socialism to Europe. What is this socialism? Coming of socialism to Europe. Let me start that. Okay, socialism as an idea attracted attention in Europe by mid 19th century. Socialism was an idea, okay? It is one philosophy. So what does it mean? What is socialism mean? It opposed private property and supported collective social interest. What is the idea of socialism? Opposing private property and supporting collective social interest. It means all are considered as equal. Property should be divided and distributed equally among all. No private property. Everything should be public property. This was the view which was propagated by socialists. They had different vision of future. Matlab their plan was totally different. What was their plan? What was their vision? Just here. Some believed in setting up of cooperatives through individual initiative. Some believed in setting up of cooperatives through individual initiative. It means some people should come forward and they should start some cooperatives. Like when people will work together and there they will distribute the income among all. Like that they wanted to set up the cooperatives. This was the idea of socialist. While others wanted government to encourage cooperatives to replace the capitalist. Okay, what others wanted? Others wanted that no individual should come forward and take this initiative. Only government should take the initiative. Government to encourage the cooperatives to replace the capitalist. It means the responsibility of cooperative should be taken by the government and they should remove these capitalists. Capitalists are the people who invest money in the, it may be in the factory. Okay, people who invested money in the factories were called as capitalist. Okay, so they want capitalist only were torturing the public. Capitalist only were torturing the laborers. So these people, that is socialist, they wanted to abolish this capitalism. They wanted to replace the capitalist, and this gave birth to idea of community society. It means a new concept called as community society emerged. It means all will work together, all will share the income. That kind of a concept, equal distribution of opportunities, all these concepts were introduced by the socialists. This is how socialism came to Europe. In the next slide we'll be discussing more about it. Okay, thank you.